Alright, so I got my lawnmower battery hooked up through these jumper cables. And I'm just gonna play with the amount of amps this thing can deliver. Check this out. It's actually shooting off sparks. Like, you can see them land. So I guess that's probably burning pieces of metal. This battery's just here to just kind of act as a place I can spark the wire to. It's completely bad. Wow, look at that. I already struck it before. So what I'm gonna do is take this wire that's frayed and hook it up. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, it's getting warm. Oh, wow, that's hot now. I can barely hold on to it. Let's just check that out. The wire actually welded itself to this post, and it stuck to the post rather than its own self. So now this is resistive heat wire. It can be used to resist and not burn up, but it needs to be really long for that. And this piece is way too short, so it's gonna burn up. So let's do this. Woohoo! Man, let's just it actually set on fire. Alright, so like I said, this battery is dead. You can see here's its negative. Just gonna touch it to its positive. Absolutely nothing happens. But I figure, so I got the jumper cables hooked up, right? So I'm just gonna hook the battery up in the reverse polarity and see if it does anything. Probably not. Oh no, it does. Look at that. You guys see that? Let me turn the light off. That's this battery charging in reverse. I'm not too sure how long I should let this go. Doesn't really seem like it's doing anything. It's not really getting hot or anything. Let's try something else. Alright, now I have this pretty thin and long wire, and I'm just gonna short circuit these jumper cables with it. Let's do a little spark test. That wasn't good. Oh. We got bad contact here. Nope. Okay. I don't know if that stuck. Oh, no it didn't. Not sure if we're getting contact here. Oh god. I was expecting that wire to just like start glowing, but it really didn't. Man, that was a lot of heat though. You can see, oh wow, I think it melted the solder. Or that thing looks like it's peeling up a little. So the wire its insulation kind of peeled itself. Is that still hot? Yeah, that's still hot. So now I'm gonna see if I can do some amateur soldering. I have the heat wire again. This is the same stuff I made the fire stick with, by the way. And I'm just gonna see if it'll melt this solder. Gotta not let it burn up, then it wouldn't melt. Or no, oh, it's liquidizing. Come on. Ooh. Oh. Man, that is getting real close to popping. Come on. Not quite. Oh, look at that. It worked. I've now doubled the wire up. I don't really want to melt this solder off because then I'm not going to have a post to connect it with. Alright, I think I'm going to go for round 2 with this thin wire, but let me just kind of arc it a little first because this is pretty fun. It's warm already. So I frayed the end so that these will each go out in an orange blaze. If I can get good contact. Ah, it's hot. Alright, so I think I'm going to short circuit it again. I don't really know how to get good contact. Maybe it'll just weld itself. Nope. Ow! Is this hot? Only a little. It's getting hot even from the alligator clip. Alright, maybe I'll get better luck if it's not on the battery. Come on. Oh, I just broke the wire off. Alright, I'm gonna poke it in. I think I'm melting my jumpers. Melted the wire. Now I'm gonna see if I can burn these wires I welded on off. Wow, it caught on fire there. So check this out. I forgot to turn the light on. It actually sparks when I try and charge it now. Not sure if that's from when I tried to charge it backwards or it's from that. But I think I'm just gonna hook it up and see if it gets hot, but let's play with the wire a little bit more. There we go, that took it off. I think it melted the end off.